Right, it's a bit of a fiddly one, this. It's not Tech Tuesday, it's Tuesday. But, yep, I know. EUC's talking to me, so I've come on a little adventure and I haven't really brought all the right equipment with me, hence holding this mic. And obviously the Insta has to be held. I don't know if it's going to get too muddy. This bridleway, all I saw was a number 4, so I don't know where I'm actually going. But yeah, so no Tech Tuesday. I'm going to have some more mics coming to test out. Sup Sunday's off to a good start. Oh, that's deep. Sup Sunday's off to a good start with the pump reviews. I've got 3 more in the bank, so I've got a month's worth of pump reviews already recorded, which is great. And shotgun shells. And I've got another board coming, some skate helmets, some sunnies for EUC, so protective cycling glasses, I suppose. That's terrifying. And yeah, so there's lots coming up. I'll try and keep this short and sweet. I'm not sure where this adventure is going to take me, so I'm going to start concentrating. I think that takes me back to the road. I'm about 8 miles away from... No, that's a farm track. Out, that's my shins. So yeah, we'll see how I get on. It's not that muddy, he says. So I can see where I live from here. So it's just if it's accessible via an EUC. Alright guys, so it's a bit of a vlog today. And Sup Sunday is well underway. And I'm off to Spain this weekend, which I'm hoping I get some barefoot shoes sent. And the plan is to literally not take any trainers with me and see if my feet turn to hamburgers if I just wear barefoot shoes. Similar to the waivers, but these are more trek orientated, and I'm looking forward to that. So fingers crossed they get over from the States in time. And you guys take care, and me and him will catch you for the next one.